What if a tiny toy truck could run not on batteries, not on electricity, but on real jet flames? This incredible mini truck uses a simple jet propulsion idea to move forward. It might look like a toy, but the mechanism behind it is surprisingly clever. Today we're taking a closer look at how this DIY mini jet truck is built and how it actually moves using fire and gas pressure. The body and chassis. First, let's talk about the structure of this tiny truck. The body of the truck appears to be made from a small plastic shell, similar to a toy truck or a 3D printed model. Underneath the body there is a lightweight toy car chassis with 4 small wheels. The wheels themselves are not powered by a motor. Instead, they simply allow the truck to roll smoothly across the surface when the thrust pushes it forward. The cabin at the front is mostly decorative, while the real engineering is located at the back of the vehicle. The mini jet system. Now here comes the most interesting part, the mini jet burner system. At the rear of the truck, you can see 2 small metal nozzles. These nozzles act like miniature jet engines. When gas flows through these nozzles and is ignited, it produces bright blue flames. Those flames shoot hot gas rapidly out of the back of the truck. And according to Newton's third law of motion, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So when the hot gas shoots backward, the truck gets pushed forward. This force is called thrust, the same principle used in real rockets and jet engines. Gas supply system. Next, let's look at how the fuel system works. Inside the truck, there appear to be small gas containers or butane sources. These containers store the fuel that powers the jet flames. From the tanks, the gas travels through flexible silicone tubes. These tubes connect directly to the metal burner nozzles at the back. There is also a small control mechanism that regulates how much gas flows into the burners. Once the gas reaches the nozzles and is ignited, the 2 burners produce powerful flames that generate the thrust needed to move the truck. How the truck moves. When both burners fire at the same time, hot gas shoots rapidly out of the back. This creates forward thrust, pushing the truck ahead on its wheels. Even though the truck is very small and lightweight, the jet flames produce enough force to move it forward across the surface. It's a simple yet fascinating example of miniature jet propulsion in action. So this tiny project shows how basic physics and creativity can turn a simple toy truck into an amazing mini jet-powered machine. Small build, but a very cool engineering idea. If you enjoy creative DIY tech builds like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more amazing projects.